Welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Severe winter weather is slowing construction today, with heavy rain keeping tower cranes mostly stationary. Several key components, including the fifth radial beam, compression ring pillar, and phalanges, remain staged awaiting installation. Despite the conditions, workers continue operating in protected areas, while fresh concrete work and preparations move forward across the stadium. Let's take a look at today's progress around Camp Nou. From this elevated position, platforms are visible throughout, though tower cranes appear stationary due to severe weather. Two radial beams remain staged, awaiting installation, along with compression ring pillars and multiple phalanges. Workers are visible getting soaked in various zones. Winter weather significantly slows operations. Upper cantilever zones show freshly poured concrete, where rebar mesh was positioned during the last visit. Background zones display completed concrete, though similar work must occur throughout this area. Moving across the first cantilever reveals various worker positions with platforms in staircase structures. The second cantilever shows reduced activity. The south goal corner represents the most delayed third-tier seating zone, though installation speed suggests north goal completion may allow work shifting here. Complete third-tier installation could finish by late March or early April, depending on weather. Sandwich panel installation shows one panel gap remaining, with upper sections requiring completion. Substantial panel quantities are staged ready for installation. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to Megaverse Builds. It's free and supports our daily updates. Now let's continue around the stadium. The corner slat sector shows no changes. Lower false ceiling slats remain the only progress, with bracket zones still pending. Tuesday's match and today's weather complicate scheduling. The left elevator structure nears completion, requiring only side panels. Workers inspect and tighten anchors, preparing for upcoming installation. Slat installation began mid-October, with 5.5 sectors complete. At current pace, complete stadium coverage would require over a year. However, pace could accelerate dramatically. Current slower pace reflects match interruptions, holidays, and weather. Slat installation isn't urgently critical, allowing focus on priorities. North goal corner shows major deliveries with multiple trucks of rock wool insulation arriving. The right sector shows half the anchors now installed. Workers apply white material to beams in upper sections. Central north goal presents exciting news. A concrete pump operates with mixer truck, confirming active pouring. Workers strike anchors with hammers at support brackets. Structures show substantial advancement, though base panels aren't positioned yet. Another mixer truck arrives. Substantial activity throughout this typically quiet zone. The corner toward tribuna shows a container descending. Interior passages appear perfect, raising frustration about delayed licensing. Connection brackets show no progress for weeks. Glass panels remain staged on cantilevers. At tribuna, workers operate on escalators. Sandwich panels advance with workers tightening freshly installed panels. A concrete pump sits inactive. Outside, enormous tent construction continues. At the official store, diamond metal strip installation between glass panels continues. Upper door panels remain pending. That's today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Heavy rain creates challenging conditions, though work continues safely. Concrete pouring in north goal, sandwich panels at tribuna, rock wool deliveries, and anchor installations progress despite weather. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching Megaverse Builds. See you tomorrow.